हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे। आज मैं वीडियो लेके आया हूँ क्लास 12 इंग्लिश फ्लेमिंगो पोएम 2 कीपिंग क्वाइट के इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज के ऊपर। इसकी जो पोएम फर्स्ट थी माई मदर एट 66, उसके इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू की वीडियो मैं अपलोड कर चुका हूँ। ये मेरी पोएम सेकंड है। बिना टाइम खराब करे हुए देखते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू। What does the title of the poem suggest? Option A, inactivity. Option B, noise. Option C, unhappiness. Option D, maintenance of silence. इसका जो ऑप्शन है वो होगा ऑप्शन डी, मेंटेनेंस ऑफ साइलेंस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड। व्हाट डज द पोएम स्पीक अबाउट? ऑप्शन ए, द नेसेसिटी टू बी हैप्पी। ऑप्शन बी, द नेसेसिटी टू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट, अंडरस्टैंड एंड हैव फीलिंग्स ऑफ ब्रदरहुड। ऑप्शन सी, the necessity of work quietly. Option D, none. इसका ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट। The necessity to introspect and understand and have feelings of brotherhood. Next question, question number third. What can human beings learn from nature? Option A, beauty. Option B, keeping quiet. Option C, to be happy. Option D, working with silence. आई होप इसका आप सबको इसका आंसर पता होगा। इसका ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, वर्किंग विद साइलेंस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ। What is always alive even when everything seems to be dead or still? Option A, mountains. Option B, rivers. Option C, sun. Option D, earth and nature. इसका भी ऑप्शन डी है, अर्थ एंड नेचर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर फिफ्थ। What does the style of the poem symbolize that the poem used to write with? Option A, desires. Option B, happiness. Option C, hope. Option D, desire and hope. इसका भी ऑप्शन डी है, desire and hope. Next question, question number six. What is the original language of the poem? Option A, English. Option B, French. Option C, Pali. Option D, Spanish. Spanish. इसका भी ऑप्शन डी, स्पेनिश। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेवन। What is the essence or message of the poem? Option A, introspection and extrospection to be more peaceful and be harmony. Option B, to prosper. Option D, to be happier. Option D, to reach out more people. इसका ऑप्शन ए, introspection and retrospection to be more peaceful and be in harmony. Next question, question number 8. What does the poet feel is needed to be at peace? Option A, meeting with people. Option B, talking with people. Option C, interaction with the people. Option D, soul searching. इसका ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, soul searching. Next question, question number 9. According to the poet, what creates barriers? Option A, interactions. Option B, reactions. Option C, fighting. Option D, languages. इसका ऑप्शन डी, languages. Next question, question number 10. Why does the poet ask people not to speak? Option A, because it creates noise. Option B, he does not like noise. Option D, it makes things unpleasant. Option D, because it creates barriers or obstacles in the form of misunderstanding almost people. इसका ऑप्शन डी, because it creates barriers or obstacles in the form of misunderstanding amongst people. Next question, question number 11. What is the rhyming scheme used in the poem? Option A, enclosed rhyme. Option B, monorhyme. Option C, sonnet. Option D, free verse. इसका ऑप्शन डी, फ्री वर्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. हाउ इज द कीपिंग क्वाइट रिलेटेड to life and can change attitude? Option A, it helps to think and search soul. Option B helps to scratch one soul. Option C is helps to develop new thinking process. Option D all of these. This option D is correct, all of these. Next question, question number 13. How will keeping quiet protect our environment? Option A by creating peace and brotherhood feelings. Option B no noise will be there. Option C there will be not. Sorry, repeat करता हूँ. Option C people will not fight. Option D none. इसका ऑप्शन ए by creating peace and brotherhood feelings. Next question, question number 14. What is the destroying the environment? Option A unthoughtful actions. Option B violent actions. Option C speaking without thinking. Option D all. आई होप आप सबको इसका आंसर तो पता होगा. इसका ऑप्शन डी हो जाएगा ऑल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. What does number 12 represent? Option A hours of the day and months of a year. Option A earth. Option C clock. Option D cricket players. 15 का ए hours of the day and months of a year. Next question, question number 16. What does the poem Keeping Quiet teach us? Option A how to maintain silence. Option B not to make so noise. Option C speaking creates noise. Option D to be peaceful, thoughtful and have feelings of brotherhood. इसका ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, सही है. टू बी पीसफुल, थॉटफुल एंड हैव फीलिंग्स ऑफ ब्रदरहुड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 17. Not move our arms. What does this expression refer to? Option A sit quietly. Option B stand quietly. Option C to be inactive. Option D sitting still without any movement. इसका ऑप्शन डी है सिटिंग स्टिल विदाउट एनी मूवमेंट. शायद आप सबको बैकग्राउंड में कुछ शोर शराबा आ रहा हो, उसके लिए सॉरी. बाहर जरा काम चल रहा है. Next question, question number 18. Why is silence treated as a big issue? Option A, it helps to research our soul. Option B, helps us to analyze our actions. Option C, helps us to be thoughtful and find our true self. Option D, all of these. इसका ऑप्शन डी is correct, all of these. Next question, question number 19. What should not be confused with total inactivity or death? Option A, no movement. Option B, a statue. Option C, talking people. Option D, stillness and silence. इसका भी ऑप्शन डी है, stillness and silence. Next question, question number 20. What can be a cure or an antidote or violent actions? Option A, speaking practice. Option B, wise words. Option C, polished language. Option D, practice or silence. इसका ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट, स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. What is the sadness in the poem that the poet speaks about? Option A, violence because of unthoughtfulness of the people. Option B, unnecessary movements. Option C, speaking aloud. Option C, option D, fighting. इसका भी ऑप्शन ए है, violence because of unthoughtfulness of the people. Next question, question number 22. What does the earth symbolize? Option A, preserve, preservations and new beginning from seemingly stillness. Option B, stillness. Option C, greenery. Option D, prosperity. इसका ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट है, prosperity. Next question, question number 23. What is always alive even when everything seems to be dead or still? Option A, mountains. Option B, rivers. Option C, sun. Option D, earth and nature are always alive. इसका ऑप्शन डी, earth and nature are always alive. Next question, question number 24. How does the poet perceive life? Option A as stillness, option B as silence, option C a noisy place, option D a continuous evolution of nature. Option D is correct, a continuous evolution of nature. Next question, question number 25. What does the poet want people to do for 1 second? Option A to sing, option B to close eyes, option C to stand quietly, option D to be silent and motionless. Option D is correct, to be silent and motionless. Next question, question number 26. How can the moments of no activity help people? Option A, they will be healthy. Option B, they will be happy. Option C, they will work easily. Option D, to relax and be more thoughtful. इसका भी ऑप्शन डी, to relax and be more thoughtful. Next question, question number 27. What will happen if there are no engines and no crowd? Option A, noise will be listened. Option B, no crowd, no roads. Option C, no traffic rush. Option D, it will create a perfect happy moment. इसका ऑप्शन डी, it will create a perfect happy moment. Next question, question number 28. Why is the moment of silence called exhausting? Option A, because of the beautiful scenery around. Option B, because of the gathering. Option C, because of large gathering. Option D, because of perfect peace of harmony. Option D is correct, because of perfect peace of harmony. Next question, question number 29. What would everyone feel at that exhausting moment? Option A, happy. Option B, content. Option C, dancing. Option D, strength, blissness, blissful one, oneness. इसका ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, स्ट्रेंज blissful oneness. Next question, question number 30. Read the statement given below carefully. Choose the option that best describes these statements with reference to the poem. CBSE 2021 में आया हुआ है. Statement 1. The poem Keeping Quiet calls for change as much in the individual as human society at large. Statement 2. The poem Keeping Quiet implies that individual change will lead to bigger society change. Statement 3. Neruda believes that when people come together as a community, they will be able to bring a transformation in each person. तो ऑप्शन ए, स्टेटमेंट वन is true, statement second is false, and statement third cannot be inferred. Option B, statement one and second cannot be inferred, statement third is true. Option C, statement first is true, statement second and third cannot be inferred. Option D and last option, statement first cannot be inferred, statement second cannot be inferred, statement third is false. तो इसका ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट इज ट्रू, स्टेटमेंट सेकंड इज फॉल्स एंड स्टेटमेंट थर्ड कैन नॉट बी इनफरेड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. व्हाई इज द पोएट आस्किंग एवरीवन नॉट टू स्पीक एनी लैंग्वेज? ऑप्शन ए, टू अवॉइड नॉइज. ऑप्शन बी, टू अवॉइड लाउड वॉइसेस. ऑप्शन सी, टू अवॉइड पीपल. ऑप्शन डी, टू अवॉइड conflicts and misunderstandings. This option D is correct, to avoid conflicts and misunderstandings. Next question, question number 32. What is the poem expected from fisherman? Option A, to find more fish. Option B, to go deeper into the sea. Option C, to think that stop harming the fish. Option D, none. इसका ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, टू थिंक एंड स्टॉप हार्मिंग द फिश। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 33, what does heart hand refer to? Option A, growing needs of the man. Option B, growing greed of man. Option C, unfulfilled desires. Option D, growing insensitivity insensitivity of man to pain. इसका ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, growing insensitivity of man to pain. Next question, question number 34. How will silence benefit the man and nature? Option A, both will be friends. Option B, man will know nature better. Option C, man will be healthy. Option D, man will stop hurting nature and both will heal themselves. तो इसका भी ऑप्शन डी, man will stop hurting nature and both will heal themselves. Next question, question number 35. Which image in the poem show that the poet condemns or had violence? Option A, fishman not harming whales. Option B, wars leaving behind no survivors to celebrate. Options C, poets refusal to deal with hell. Sorry, to deal with death. Option D, all these. इसका भी ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, ऑल ऑफ दीज, ये सभी इसके आंसर है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. What symbol from nature the poet uses to prove that speak prove that keeping quiet is not total inactivity? Option A, sun. Option B, soil. Option C, earth. Option D, nature and earth. इसका भी ऑप्शन डी, नेचर एंड अर्थ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. What are the different kinds of wars mentioned in the poem? Option A, war against humanity. Option B, war against nature. Option C, war with gases and fire. Option D, all these. इसका ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, ऑल these. Next question, question number 38. Identify the tone of Pablo Neruda in the following lines. Perhaps the earth can teach us. Option A, confident and clear about the future events. Option B, dramatic about the predictions he made. Option C, con- convinced about the sequence of events to follow. Sorry. Option D, uncertain yet hopeful about the possibility. तो इसका ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, uncertain yet hopeful about the possibility. Next question, question number 39. What statement does Neruda make about wars? Option A, जो ये CBSE 2021 में आया हुआ है. Option A, wars are of varied kind. Internal, green wars, wars with gas, with fire, etc. Option B. Option B, wars are wasteful and cause irreparable loss and damage to property and life. Option C, wars never yield any winners and the loss is far greater than what can be measured. Option D, wars are unavoidable in the enduring struggle for human dignity and power. This option D is correct. Wars are unavoidable in the enduring struggle for human dignity and power. Next question and last question of this series, question number 14. Now we'll count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. Why does the poet wish to go at the end of the poem? ये CBSE 2021 में ये भी आया हुआ है. Option A, sorry. The poet does not believe people will quiet. Option B, the poet has already invested enough time. Option C, the poet will move on and seek to inspire others. Option D, the poet is marking the end of the poem by leaving. तो इसका भी ऑप्शन डी है. The poet is marking the end of the poem by leaving. आई होप आप सबको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो। अगर अच्छी लगी हो, आपको मदद मिली हो, तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें अपने दोस्तों पे, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। मैं आपको ऐसी वीडियो लाता रहूंगा। अगली पोएम की लाऊंगा। ओके, थैंक यू।